Hello everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing about pronouns. Let's see today pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns. It is used when something or a person has been mentioned before. Let's see pronouns. How it will come when subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjective and possessive pronouns are there. Let's see. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe and please press bell icon. First one. In subject pronouns I and object pronouns me and possessive adjective my, possessive pronouns mine. Like that, you, your, yours. He, him, his, his. She, her, hers. It, its. We, us, ours. Next one. They, them, their and theirs. You, your, yours. Thank you for watching video.